Car insurance is a product of the short-term insurance sector. A quote for car insurance, therefore, will be affected by whether you wish to insure a car on its own or to add other short-term insurance items such as household insurance as well as other items like computers, jewelry and garden equipment. A quote for car insurance on its own will cost pro rata more than if the items are added. Some companies will only accept car insurance together with household insurance. The reason for this is that the car insurance game is very competitive, and the risk thereof relatively high due to all kinds of factors. Adding household insurance, therefore, slightly lessens the total risk exposure of the insurer and acts as a bit of a subsidizing factor on the car insurance cost. Obtaining a quote for car insurance these days is a relatively simple exercise, as it can be obtained through the internet or through a short-term insurance broker. The more complex task lies in analyzing the benefits in a quote for car insurance. The benefits and terms and conditions of short-term insurance products vary by as much as there are insurers on the market. Each short-term insurer would want to convince you of the fact that their product is more affordable and superior to the opposition. A quote for car insurance is dependent on a number of risk factors to the insurer, and you will be asked a number of questions before a quote will be forthcoming. These risks may also be assessed differently by the various insurers, so don't expect quotes to be exactly the same from insurer to insurer. Factors taken into account in assessing the risk to the insurer would inter alia be your age, the nominated drivers of the car, when did you obtain your license, your gender, where you live, for what purpose do you use the car, where is the car housed, is it housed in a lockable garage and off the street. There are also other questions to be asked, and all of this is recorded on any application on the phone. Any payout pertaining to the vehicle in question would be put in jeopardy should any of the questions not be honestly and correctly answered. It is also worthwhile to consider what the meaning of a cheaper quote is. A cheaper monthly premium may well not be the cheapest option to you in the end of the day, as there are other cost factors to take into account pertaining to any claim against the insurer. The excess payment due to any claim may be substantially higher in the case of the cheaper monthly insurance premium. Also be sure as to exactly understand and weigh up the terms and conditions of the specific policy. Is windshield replacement, for example, included in the premium, and is a special excess payment required on replacement? Some insurers also offer other benefits to their clients like free towing services, assistance in car rental in case of your car being damaged and repaired after an accident, and even a refund on premiums paid in the case of a 3-year no-claim situation. Shop around for a quote for car insurance and make like-for-like comparisons between the various quotes before finally accepting one. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.